our flight. It's okay because we're finna catch the next one. We're taking our talents to Florida. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Oh, is that Claire's? The way that my back is gone right now, like, I don't have a back right now. but I don't have my tripod, so we're gonna have to just hold my phone. You gonna buy them? Yeah, if they fit. Y'all, I'm in the mall right now by myself. He ate down on my nails, but period. Okay, I got my toes done too, but those are so cute. This is what the mall's looking like right now. Don't mind me, I just got done doing my nails finally. So I'm gonna pull my ride and head back home, and I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home. So cute. Like, I've been seeing this store. When I say everywhere, I have been seeing it everywhere, and I cannot believe they got it in Tampa. Oh my gosh, like, look at the stickers. You know I'm low-key obsessed with stickers. That's just me personally. I'm gonna go to the Hello Kitty section. Me, like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, please, this is so cute. Did some shopping. Y'all know how the vibes go in Florida. I'm probably gonna hang out with somebody later. Please pray for me, because I do not know this person. But he was like, oh, you're new in town, so let me show you around. I'm like, he's already a little too eager. She's already a red flag. Let's see how this goes. This is so cute. Like, what? I don't even know what it is. I just saw it was pink and glittery. And y'all know I love pink and glittery things. Like, please be for real. This is so cute. Back to, but we're just back. I'm drinking a smoothie. I forgot what was in it. Strawberries, bananas, mango, peach, something. Where my Florida subscribers? If you're from Florida, let me know.